Hello, this is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. We have the ability to remember chemical symbols and atomic numbers easily if we develop a system, a certain system, a pneumatic system in order to remember these things. It can be done. All around us, we have a system we can use to remember all kind of chemical symbols, atomic numbers, even the atomic mass of an element. We have names, first names, middle names, last names. We have titles. We have nicknames, pet names, names for animals, for dogs and cats and everything. We got policeman's name, butcher's name. We know a teacher's name. It can be any name, a name of a street, the name of a restaurant, anything. By remembering the names, first, second, and last name, and titles, and everything I just told you, all of the above, we can remember chemical symbols. These names can be broken down to chemical symbols. Let's take, for example, the name Parker. The name Parker, capital P-A-R-K-E-R, Parker. Okay? We got a capital P, and then we took the small a, and we made a small a into a capital A, and we retained and used the small r. And then we got a capital K. And then we got the small e, and we capitalized the small e into a capital E here, and we retained and used the small lowercase r. And we got the name Parker, so we got capital P with the atomic number of 15. Okay? Capital P is for phosphorus. It's a chemical symbol for phosphorus. Capital P-H-O-S-P-H-O-R-U-S. Then we got capital A and a small r for argon. Argon is spelled capital A-R-G-O-N. And argon is a noble gas. A noble gas. If you go to the noble gas column, you'll see argon. And it has an atomic number of 18. Then we got K, capital K. Capital K is for potassium, the chemical symbol for potassium. It has an atomic number of 19. And potassium is spelled capital P-O-T-A-S-S-I-U-M. Be careful, okay? Potassium begins with a capital P, and its chemical symbol is K, so be careful. It has 19 atomic number. Then we took the small e and we capitalized it, remember that? And we retained and used the small r. You got capital E and a small r for the element's name of erbium. Capital E-R-B-I-U-M. Capital E-R-B-I-U-M. Erbium, and that's a chemical symbol of 68. 68. Then we got the name higher, capital H-Y-E-R. So we got the capital Y, we have a capital H, and number 1 for atomic number for hydrogen, capital H-Y-D-R-O-G-E-N. Then we got the Y for yttrium, which is spelled, that's a capital Y. We took a small y and made it a capital Y with atomic number of 38 atomic number, and that's capital Y is a chemical symbol for the element's name of yttrium, capital Y T-T-R-I-U-M. And then we got the name Pierce, capital P-I-E-R-C-E, Pierce, P-I, capital P-I-E-R-C-E. So we got the capital P, we took the small I and made into a capital I, we took a small e and made into a capital E, and we used and retained the small r with a capital E. Then we took the small c and made into a capital C, and we used and retained a small e. So we got capital P for phosphorus with atomic number of 15. We got capital I for iodine with an atomic number of 53. So here's phosphorus. Capital P-H-O-S-P-H-O-R-U-S, and we got capital I for iodine, capital I-O-D-I-N-E. Then we got the capital E and a small r with the atomic number of 68, and that is for erbium, capital E-R-B-I-U-M. Then we got capital C and a small e for cerium. Capital Cerium with atomic number of 58. And there you go. More names. These are the names of people. Maybe your name is Parker. Maybe your name is Hire or Pierce. Is it? Either way, you can use these names to remember the chemical symbols and atomic number. Of course, first you take the name and break it down the chemical symbols, and then you go to the periodic table of elements and you look up the atomic number, and then you got both. Okay, but this chemical symbols. Okay, you got here Parker, capital P for phosphorus, capital AR for argon, capital K for potassium, capital E and a small r for erbium. Okay, and you got Pierce and all these names. I'm not going to write this down. Put this down in the description box below. I think you have a pretty good idea what's going on here. Okay, here it is right here. And here it is right here. You got it? This is Wise Out 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.